amazing Thanksgiving. We hope if you were with friends and family that you got to rest and relax. We hope if you were cooking the meal yesterday, today you get to rest and relax. I just wherever and however you celebrated, we hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Carla, you are coming live to us from not your house. You are traveling for your Thanksgiving, right?
Yes, but I seem to be frozen. Do I look frozen on your end?
You do, but it's a frozen pic of you holding your mug. It looks very good. There you go. You're back.
Okay, yay. Okay, my internet might be unstable, so let's hope we make it through the whole show.
We'll make it through.
Yes,
We'll make it through.
I am away, and I am in a place where it's very cold and wet, but it feels so Thanksgiving-y, so, it's actually fun.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah,
Well, I think the whole
yeah,
point of us coming live this morning is to just give everybody like the Cliff Notes version of what Shaklee is rolling out for deals this weekend. And if you're like me, you like a good deal. And some of the products and stuff that we're highlighting this weekend are things that I use all the time, but also that I want to give as gifts this year. So I'm super excited about this weekend. And as I say to all of my people, my mission is to get you the best deal possible on the best quality product. So that is
yes.
our mission, right, Carla?
That
So
is my mission as well, and yes, and that's what this is all about, so we're not gonna keep you long, but we're gonna
no,
give you lots of great deals. Hey, listen, everybody's out shopping, and so we wanna make sure you don't forget to shop healthy, sustainable products that are good for people and the planet.
love it. I love it. So we're both going to be referring to our phones today because there were some new deals that popped up this morning, right? So we're just making
Correct.
sure that we want to give you the all the yeah, all the best deals. I think the biggest one today is that my favorite product of all time is 20% off. And I don't talk enough about this product. It's called Vivix. And basically this is the anti-aging hero. It comes in a bunch of different forms and it basically helps slow aging at the cellular level. So we're talking the real deal here. Yeah, they're so yummy, aren't they? So
A
Vivix has been
treat.
around for I don't even know how many years.
Since 2008,
Thank
before
you.
you came in.
Yeah, before I joined Shaklee, actually. Yep.
Mhm.
And the cool reason that we're really excited about this product is that we now have that gummy um, format that Carla just showed us how yummy it tastes. And
It
so
is.
it's accessible to everybody. So if you're not a pill swallower, because it comes